Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a checkbox in Google Sheets. Checkboxes are a great way to create to-do lists, track progress, and manage tasks in your spreadsheets. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar, type sheets.new and press Enter to quickly open a new Google Sheets spreadsheet. Next, click on the cell where you want to insert a checkbox. If you want to add multiple checkboxes, click and drag to select a range of cells. Now, click the Insert menu at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Checkbox. Google Sheets will instantly add a checkbox to each selected cell. To check a box, simply click on it. Click it again to uncheck it. If you'd like to customize what happens when a checkbox is checked or unchecked, select the checkbox cells, click Data, then choose Data Validation. From there, you can set custom values for the checked and unchecked states if needed. You can also copy and paste checkboxes into other cells, or drag the fill handle to add more checkboxes quickly. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to insert a checkbox in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tips, productivity tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.